Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Media. I'm Andrew. In this channel, we'll be looking at emerging markets to explore big opportunities for growth. If it's your first time in my channel, please feel free to go through all the videos. If you see what you like, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Again, I've been seeing a lot of people watching, about 90% of you guys are watching, but have not yet hit that subscribe button. It would support my channel a whole lot if you hit subscribe, like, and the notification bell will tell you when I release a video. If you're new to the crypto market as well as the stock market, feel free to use the two links that I have in the description box to open an account with Webull or Robinhood. In doing so, you support my channel, you'll get free stocks, and I'll also get free stocks. Again, I'm not sponsored by them at all. I'm just giving you information. Last but not least, please remember that I am not a financial consultant. Everything I say is strictly my opinion. Use this information as preliminary information or do whatever it is that you find suitable. Just make sure that your due diligence before you invest. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, I know that there's a lot of panic in the market right now, looking at AABB and seeing that it tanked and went all the way down to 14 cents. Obviously, it's moving back up now and staying at around 18 cents. These are all very valid questions. And there are many explanations. Some people say, well, this has to do with the naked short sellers, financial situation at the time, the tax situations, which I mentioned yesterday. But I think that during a time like this, what we need to focus on are the facts that we can read and measure and assess. I just want to let you guys know that I have been accumulating shares throughout all this time, and it was not all bought at the same time. At different phases. Remember that financial independent, making those $1 million, it's not for the faint-hearted. You have to be able to weather the storm and to sort of see and recognize when it is a good opportunity for you to add to your position. Let's first off start with conquering our psychology, and I'll briefly go through that prior to us going through the press release that they released this morning regarding the cryptocurrency exchange. First, I know that a lot of people are saying, oh man, had I sold at 33 cents and then buy back at 14 cents, then I would have made a lot of money. But remember, when you do execute, it's not guaranteed that you know when the high is or when the low is, right? Number two, every single time you sell and you rebuy, your time will reset. In other words, say for instance, the end of this year when you sell and it's at $1 and you have 1 million shares, you'll be selling that and paying short-term gains because you've held it for less than a year. So every single time you do that, remember that you lose that opportunity cost. Those are some of the variables for us to consider when we think in that sense. Let's get into the press release. This was released on the 28th of December, 2021. It says, Asia Broadband, AABB is pleased to announce that the company has now launched its proprietary cryptocurrency exchange within the AABB wallet. Today's launch is the initial phase of the exchange rollout in the necessary process to ensure stability, proper functioning, and integration of the various component modules. Remember, this is not something that's new to us, right? In the previous press release, they said that they're going to be rolling this out in phases, and the reason is they want it to be stable. They're in the troubleshooting phase. They don't want to make sure that they roll everything out and then have all these issues fall on their shoulders all at once. Their approach to this is correct. In the current phase, users will now be able to place and buy and sell orders to execute cryptocurrency trades for the initial trading pairs available and familiarize themselves with the exchange platform. Okay, so there are about 5 bullets that I want to cover today, and I will briefly tell you my thoughts on them. Number one, it says that they will have access to the desktop version of the AABB exchange. Now, I'm a little disappointed that they don't have a mobile one yet, and we've been waiting for a while. But then again, the desktop version is going to be more stable. Number two, the following trading pairs are available for the holiday period: Shiba Inu and AABBG. Now, I think this is smart, right? Because Shiba Inu is one of for the very first time, if you have this wallet, you can start trading the go-back token. And then they say major and popular cryptocurrency trading pairs will be added progressively to the exchange in January. Remember in my previous videos, I said if they were smart, they will provide a cryptocurrency exchange that will house all the popular trading pairs. And so for the fact that they waited this long, can only tell that they understand what's popular in the market. All these other popular token coins, but they're not all traded in the same exchange. And AABB now has that opportunity to do that. And I think that's only going to serve them in the long haul. Third point, after the holiday period and in the weeks to follow, the desktop version and the mobile application of AABB Exchange will continue to be rolled out. So that means, to me, mobile application will be coming out soon. And I think the mobile application is what's going to help with the popularity. Number 4, prior to the launch of the updated mobile application, the purchase of AABBG tokens through the convert functionalities will still be available. I just want to let you guys know that, as big as Robinhood is, they only have 7 trading pairs. Even for Robinhood, they want to sort of explore the possibility and make all their assessments to make sure that when they do roll out additional cryptocurrencies in the future, that it will be stable, it will be secure. So this is a very complex thing to do. It's not something that's so easy for us because we don't really understand all that's involved. But this is digital assets currency. They could be immune to hacks and all these sort of things. So I'd rather them take their time so that they don't crash and burn. And here is another point that I really like. In collaboration with the company's digital assets developer, the continued rollout of the exchange components in the coming weeks will have 200 plus cryptocurrency exchange trading pairs available on the BCG Gateway platform. In the previous release, they said that they only have 150 trading pairs, but now they're saying 200 plus trading pairs. So again, I mean, this is just all music to my ears for a investor who is for the long haul, right? Understand consolidations of all the hot trading pairs right now that's in the market, and that's the way that you capitalize gains, or at least gas fees and the miner's fee, which is incredibly high when you're talking about exchanging crypto. What they're doing is right. I wait for the rollout, and they said it's going to be after the holidays, so more trading pairs will be added progressively in January. So this is in the imminent future. They actually gave us a time here. Be very bullish on this company, and I think whatever happened this morning, it's going to be, we can extrapolate, but the facts are in front of us. The fact is that they're going to be rolling out, and they're going to be rolling out 200 plus cryptocurrency trading pairs. Again, compared to Robinhood, a much bigger broker, and yet currently only 7 and hoping to trade more. So I think what they're doing is a breakthrough. I've been holding on to AABB for a very long time through all these pains. But like, again, I said, financial independence is not for the faint-hearted. You have to have convictions for companies that you think will be the next $1 million maker. In any case, this is just my opinion based on some of the stuff that I've read. Now, please comment below and let me know. Please feel free to share this video if you think that this might be helpful for some other AABB investors. Thank you very much, and happy trading, everyone.